thumb up. Okay. Good stance, good grip, good stance. Hold it tight, hold it tight.
Holy shit, that's awesome.
Holy shit, look. Okay,
God,
let's go check our target. Look,
I gotta hit it like in the middle.
you hit it dead center.
Oh,
Whoa.
How you feeling, Chloe?
scared.
It's loud, right? That's it.
Woo,
All right,
buddy.
that's it.
Ow.
That didn't hurt.
It
Hey,
did too.
finger, okay, good thumb, okay. There you go. Relax your elbows a little bit. All right. Oh man, your first miss. Why do you think you missed?
Because it cuts my eye.
Don't. Perfect. Okay, get your good grip. Yeah, here. Okay, relax your elbows. Okay, you're gonna shoot that one and then go to that one. Nice. Oh, hold on, stovepipe. Malfunction. Okay. Okay, good.
Ooh.
It's okay. Go ahead. Okay, fix your grip. Your stance, lean forward a little bit. There you go.
Empty.